Hi, in front of me is REALME C3i, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply lightning edges on this device. Firstly, open Play Store and simply type edges. Now you need to download this app from this developer and open it. Click on this theme, name it, tap OK Creative, and close an ad. Over here you can customize your edges however you want to. You can change run style, add pattern, change animation speed, size of your borders, and even adjust them to the notch. When you're done, but you want to leave your current wallpaper, you can always pick one of the sources over here, like photos. Select a photo that you want to apply, adjust it, and click at the top right corner. When you're done, click Create and tap on the theme that you just created. Choose Enable Wallpaper, click on Set As, and decide if you want it to be on home screen or home screen and lock screen by tapping on one of the options. So now when I go back, I can see that my edges were successfully applied. But if you wish to see them when you use apps, you can always go back into the same app, choose Home over here, scroll all the way down and click on the switcher next to Enable Overlay Other App. Tap on Yes. Click on the switcher next to Edges app, go back and click at the same switcher one more time. As you can see, now I can see my edges even when I use apps. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!